Hello friends, now it's time to make one more word family mini booklet with app word family. So go ahead and write your name. This book belongs to Now, can you see these small dotted lines? Go ahead and cut on these lines. Put it on the side. And now, can you see these big dotted lines? Put them together. Don't forget to put the main page in which it's written Word Family Mini Booklet with your name on the top. And with the help of some elder, can you see these big lines? It's time to staple over here. Let's see the magic. Let's try to unfold it. Wow, you made a mini booklet. Awesome, good job. Let's try to see what is happening over here. It seems a mouse got trapped, right? Can you see the mouse lying down on a trap? Let's try to read the word. Trap. Trap. Now let's try to write it on the lines over here. Trap. Trap. If you want, you can go ahead and take a crayon and circle the app sound. App. It's time to turn the page. Let's turn the page. Can you see what is happening here? Yes. Can you see a boy? He's smiling high. But what is that? Yes, you are right. I guess a tooth fairy came last night and took his tooth. So he's having a gap. G-A-P. Gap. Let's try to write the word here together. G-A-P. Gap. Go ahead and circle the app sound. Good job. Now let's try to see what's next. Let's flip the page. What's the boy trying to do over here? Yes, you are right. He is trying to clap. 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 Let's go ahead and write the word. Clap. Clap. job. Let's turn the page once again and see what's happening next. It seems to be a nice cap. App. Cap. What can you see over here? I can see a small plant coming out of the mud. Can you see that? Yes. What is the small plant called as? It is called as sap. 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 What's the boy doing over here? It seems he got tired and he's trying to take some rest, right? And his mouth is open. I guess he's trying to take a nap. 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 What's that? I guess that's a box, but it has got a beautiful ribbon on it. I guess someone tried to wrap a beautiful gift for someone. Wrap. And you are all done. Good job. So you made a word family mini booklet with app. Bye bye. See you again next time.